Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. My today's recipe is a festive special, gorgeous and delicious apple tart. This apple tart is gluten-free because the crust is made with oat flour instead of plain flour, which is why it's easier to make and healthier than any other pie recipe. And I assure you that it doesn't compromise with the taste at all because the crust is flaky and crispy just like any other pie, and the filling, which is made with few ingredients and sweetened only by dates, makes it a perfect dessert to try for this festive season. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and let's get started. So first we'll soak the dates for the pie filling. We'll soak them in hot water for about half an hour. Now we'll make oat flour for the pie crust. So we'll add 1.5 cup oats in a blender and blend it into a fine powder. And our oat flour is ready. We'll transfer this oat flour into a big bowl and add 2 tablespoons flaxseed powder, which you can easily make at home by grinding the flax seeds. Now we'll add some salt, 2 tablespoons honey, and 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. We'll give it a good mix and make a soft dough out of it. We'll transfer this dough on a pie pan. I have already greased my pan nicely with oil and placed a parchment paper. We'll gently press the dough and spread it evenly on the pan. Now we'll keep this crust aside and prepare the filling. Into a blender, we'll add our soaked dates and give a good blend. It requires some more water to blend it smoothly, so we'll add that and blend it once more. And the dates paste is ready. Now we need to slice the apples for the filling. So we'll take 2 medium-sized apples, peel them off and slice thinly. We'll transfer these apple slices into a bowl, add a tablespoon of lemon juice and give a quick mix. Now we'll add in some cinnamon powder, half teaspoon grated nutmeg, and mix it well. At this stage, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we are going to fill the pie crust with our filling. So first we'll spread a generous amount of dates paste evenly onto the pie crust. And now we'll arrange the apple slices. You don't really have to follow this pattern. Feel free to arrange the slices the way you like. And it's ready to bake. So we are going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And the apple tart is ready, and we are going to let it cool for some time. The apple tart looks absolutely delicious, and its oat flour crust is crisp and flaky just like the usual pie crust. It's yummy as it is, but you can also enjoy it with some vanilla ice cream. I just can't wait, so I'm gonna dig in right away and devour every single bite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have never made gluten-free apple tart, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. The written recipe, as always, is in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for such amazing recipes from Tabutinkufoodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.